Do you hear about this Taco Bell thing, Will? Well, of course you did. You're a big Taco Bell guy.
I do like Taco Bell from time to time.
Moving off of the tech topics, just for a little fun here. Taco Bell, they're running out of tortillas, Will. Why is that fun?
Terrible,
why is that a fun thing to... It just doesn't even seem possible.
Not fun for me.
I don't know. It doesn't seem possible. But anyway, it's funny that it happened in the first place. Then it's funny that it becomes a news story. Then it's funny that people are freaking out. People go to social media for everything these days. Anyhow, apparently there's like an actual major shortage, which they are calling the tortilla apocalypse. You see that, Will?
Very appropriate.
Anyone ready to come up with a name like that is really into their Taco Bell, as far as I'm concerned. And anyhow, the shortage is not specific to one location. It's at like the distribution. It's a warehouse shortage nationwide of 10-inch tortillas. Is there no like backup supplier on this? You assume that'd be possible. I don't know. But anyway, it's in place right now. So like half their menu, what percentage of their menu? I don't know if they say, but a lot of their menu is offline right now. Downtime. And I guess you got to modify your order. I don't know what you have to do or just avoid those certain items. I know there's some items here specifically in Canada that don't exist elsewhere. Like earlier, Will, you were talking about fries supreme.
It's not in the States?
I don't believe you can get fries supreme in the States.
Oh.
You could check in a U.S. menu. They have nachos supreme, which of course we also have here in Canada. In Japan, you can get fries supreme by the looks of it. Oh. It's an international menu item. I don't know. It's bizarre. How do they figure this stuff out? How do they figure this stuff out?
It's so good.
How do they figure it out? It doesn't make any sense. So anyhow, you can get essentially nacho toppings on fries in Canadian Taco Bells. Will, my brother, were talking about it earlier. I haven't had one of those in years. I don't know. We're going Taco Bell after this, Will. Anyhow, people on social media are talking about it. If you're heading to Taco Bell anytime soon, don't expect to find a tortilla. I don't. What are we doing, Will? What are we doing? Are we talking about Taco Bell? Are we talking tacos right now?
Well, Taco Bell is great.
It's okay. There you go.